Hey guys, so it is Thanksgiving day, day, yeah. Ugh, I feel like I look so bad. I slept in my makeup. I only put on mascara and like, what was it? Concealer yesterday because I went to the gym and I didn't really feel like putting on really a lot of makeup, so yeah. But I'm literally just watching Remy at Costco. But it's currently 10:55. We are headed over to the cemetery in order to put on like a holiday Christmassy blanket on my grandparents' grave. So yeah, I feel like I'm running super behind. I still have work today, and then I have work at 3. I'm headed over to like have family time, you know, Thanksgiving family time with my extended family at 1 o'clock. So we really need to get our butts into gear. And after I get out of work at 8 o'clock, we are gonna be headed off to Black Friday shopping. If you have been around here, you know, if you have been subscribed to my channel for a while, you know that I go Black Friday shopping with my brother and cousin. We went last year, we're going this year, and I hope we go to Springs, you know, because they have better things, honestly. So yeah, let's just get a move on. Okay, so I am done with my makeup. Let's just go get Xavier. Hey guys, so I just got out of work and everything. I clearly changed. Xavier is like headed up to the doorway to get Ricardo. We're going to go Black Friday shopping. Unfortunately, we're apparently like not gonna stay out for very long, which I can understand because yeah, somebody we know is having a baby, which is wow. Honestly, I wasn't expecting anything like this to happen. I mean, I'm happy and I'm really excited, you know, because I love this person to death. Like, oh my gosh, love both of them to death. I mean, oof. But yeah, I just was really surprised. All of this happened apparently while I was at work, so yeah. Oh, and update. The Jeffree Star mystery boxes, they were all sold out by the time that I was able to connect to Wi-Fi. They were all sold out. The mini, the premium, the deluxe, every single size was gone. So I tried really hard to get it. Like, oh my gosh, but my data was really bad. It was really bad, no lie. It was just... But it's okay. It didn't ruin my Thanksgiving. It didn't even ruin my day or my night. It didn't affect me hardly to the level that I thought it would, honestly, because I was really looking forward to it. But you know, what are you gonna do? I did manage to get my hand on the 5-year anniversary like lip bundle, which I'm really excited about. These apparently were the 5 lipsticks that Jeffree came out with when he first launched the company. So it's really exciting. Apparently there's a color called Ho 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 and it's red, and then there's like mistletoe or something and that's green. And then there's Drug Lord. I already have Drug Lord, but of course I'm gonna want another Drug Lord, duh, to cut my crease. It's the most amazing color that I use, you know, because I use it all the time. I think it's the most universal color that I use. And then there's Doll Parts, and then Androgyny, I think, is the last one. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm just really excited, and yeah, I'm really thankful. I don't know, like, I didn't expect to feel this way, you know? Even though it's sold out, I'm okay. I know that sounds really dumb and stupid, you know, because it's makeup and it's not really that, like, to that level of importance, but I don't know. I just thought I would react a different way. But yeah, we are currently sitting outside Ricardo's house and we're just waiting for him to come out. Xavier clearly went to get him. And yeah, let's just go Black Friday shopping. We vlog this year, we vlog every year. Okay, so we're in the mall. I literally just swatched stuff at Sephora. We went to Sephora. Ugh. Oh yeah, and then I found, I don't know if it's gonna, I don't know if it's picking it up, but it's like really pretty. It's really pretty. It was like Fenty, what was it? It was Fenty Beauty, what was it? It was Fenty Beauty Highlight in Chills by the Sea. And so far it's just been a big fat bust. So I am currently waiting for them. They're in there. I'm kind of tempted to play with this, but I don't want it to make a noise. Because right now I'm trying to be really low key. I don't know, I think that there's plenty of good things here. Wow.
He likes blue.
I think he would like that one.
He likes the color blue.
Okay.
I don't think he likes slippers.
He really wanted to get a Patrick Waugh one though. Do you know who Waugh is? Do either of you even know? Oh goodness gracious, what is happening to the world? Go to Best Buy? Alright, they might confiscate my camera though.
Yeah.
I wish I could show people how like short I am compared to how tall you are. Because I don't think the camera does it justice. Wow. Dang, look at the difference.
What's this video? You don't have a freaking jacket on.
Oh my god. And this video is not supposed to be frightening at all. And no, I don't feel anything. Because look, I'm fine. No, what are you doing?
Is it on? Is it recording?
Yes, obviously. And you're in there. Oh, poor Ricardo. He's cold.
Checks out.
You gotta give me a minute. Wait. I'm trying to get the keys out of my purse.
Where are you going? I just this. Who says that?
I don't know.
You're barely even going.
Well, yeah, because I don't want you to fall out the door.
I'm walking.
Alright, stop.
Oh shit. You can't leave me like.
Alright, get out and we'll let you in. Get out.
Get out. Get out.
Alright, take out. Go.
Just kidding.
God, it's cold out there.
No, it's not. It's 27 degrees.
What the heck? That's cold.
You were obviously not meant for Colorado if you think that's cold. You're so ridiculous.
It's meant for Zona, baby. No, I'm kidding.
Oh, I loved Arizona.
I'm kidding.
I can't wait to go back. I'm excited.
I'm being cheap.
Put on your seatbelt.
I'm being selective of what I.
You're being cheap. That's what you are. I can't believe how many stores were like just closed, you know? And I don't have my car mount or anything installed. I really need to get it installed for Vlogmas. This is just gonna be ridiculous. So where are we going?
Best Buy.
We're going to Best Buy. Yeah. Wow, the camera keeps on moving. It's making me a little nervous.
Yeah, me too.
I got some really pretty swatches. I think this shade right here will be good for Mom.
I think I don't know about the glitter. I don't know if Mom
that's for me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, the highlight is for me. I know Mom would never do a blue highlight. What's wrong with you?
Where are you going?
Best Buy. I know I should have taken that on-ramp over there, but I didn't. So, oh my gosh. Ricardo, are you okay? What's up with you? Are you okay? So you all dark and stormy back there? Oh, okay.
I'm sorry.
Can you believe it's only 11 and everybody's just like, the mall is completely dead. It's like worse than last year. I don't care what you guys say. You didn't even remember last year. You had to look up a video. You had to look up a video just to remember what last year was like. I can't believe you. But yeah. See, it keeps on moving. It's like, what? I'm just nervous about us like turning and everything, and it's like this way or that way, you know?
Yeah. I'm gonna get Mom an iPhone X.
What?
I'm gonna get Mom an iPhone XR.
So the one that I have.
An iPhone 11.
Oh, you can't afford an iPhone 11. Excuse me.
You're gonna cut that out, right?
I don't know. I don't feel like that's that bad, you know? Everybody does it. I don't understand. Really? You rolled off the window because I'm so gross?
Cold.
Why do you want to go to Kohl's so badly?
We're going Best Buy first, but like cold later.
Oh, okay. Well,
priorities. Everyone can see us.
So? Why do you care so much? Oh my gosh! I wiped my nose with like my hand, and I still have the swatches on my hand, so now my nose is red like Rudolph. Probably. I need to see. Jeez, the police are here.
I'm gonna see a fight.
The police are here.
I'm gonna start a fight. Like,
you're gonna start a fight?
I'm gonna see someone with a TV, and I'm gonna be like, hey, I want it. Like, you have to instigate them.
I'm scared now. I have to like.
Okay.
It is in park. What do you think?
Turn it off.
Wow! Stop bossing me around.
Alright. Just so we don't have more.
Jeez! Feel so personally attacked over here. Well, we have decided to come to Best Buy because apparently there's where all the people are. So yeah. So we been walking into Kohl's because we didn't find anything over at, well, it's not that we didn't find anything. Xavier found something that he liked, but Mom and Dad are gonna get it for you, so it's very nice. I still see the pepperoni on the pizza. There's not a genuine pie.
Say this for the camera, ready? Pizza. Pie.
You still see the pepperoni.
You can't. It was just the pepperoni.
Yes,
That's
you
the
can.
Pepperoni. That's
No.
pepperoni pie.
No.
Check it, Ricardo.
Ricardo, no. Tell him no.
How much is it?
This is just like last year. You guys are so ridiculous, like playing with that dumb pillow.
Pizza, right?
Oh.
Pie.
You still see the pepperoni.
Those are cherries. Definitely, yeah.
No. It's kind of cute. What?
Did you like it?
What are you getting? Oh, ew.
Did you get it?
It looks like a little hamster ball.
I made it.
Oh, I saw that on the
made it.
JCPenney app.
See that?
That looks cute.
You
You did not.
see that?
Ooh, yep. Oh, that's so cute. Aw, that's cute. Oh, look at the cute little socks. Kind of like that one. Like. So Black Friday got caught very short because we are now at the hospital because the little baby was born. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. We're going in through the ER because it's literally midnight. It's 12:03. Wow. This was sure a kind of boring to start off with and eventful at the same time, kind of Black Friday. So I don't know if you even enjoyed the video, but I will see you guys next time. Bye.